We're going to look in Neelam's makeup bag. She does her own makeup. Sometimes there's not always me around. So we just want to go through her makeup bag and she can show us what she likes. And yes. I think that's great. So tip it out, tip it out. Yeah, just tip it all out. Oh. So talk me through this a bit.
So
this is new for you.
This
Fendi Beauty.
Fendi, not Fendi.
Oops. I'm really good with names.
Fendi, you're so fashionable.
Yeah, I know, you know.
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty.
This is just a powder.
This is the Rihanna new one.
Yeah.
You're straight on that. New, hot off the blocks.
Yes.
She's got it already.
I got that because my best friend recommended it for me. And then what else do I have? Oh, my combination of foundation and concealer I used today.
Yeah, which we love.
I use this more for evenings, actually. L'Oreal True Match, I use more for daytime.
You like that and Charlotte Tilbury palette?
Yes, this my mum got for me. What's it called? Instant Look in a palette.
Why don't you open
5-minute face on the go.
5-minute face. Okay, well, let's see if we can do that for you.
She got it for me because she knows I'm not good at makeup. So this literally has numbers where I can follow it, but I haven't used the eyeshadows.
Well, we're going to use them,
yes.
So well, let's see. You've got this other Charlotte Tilbury. When do you use that?
Wonder Glow. Sometimes I use it underneath my foundation.
Oh, so it's like a little bit of a glow.
Yeah.
Pick me up.
And these are my favourite lip glosses. Both of them. I love both shades.
I mean, they look really nice because you're wearing one now.
Yeah. I know this pink, it looks like it'll be really intense, but it's very natural.
Yeah, I mean, you got it on now, so.
And what else? Oh, this is my favourite bronzer.
I mean, that is such a nice packaging, though.
Yes.
I always think that's so gorgeous.
I've used that, as you can see.
Yeah, she's used that, yeah. Well, you know, when you look in people's makeup bags, it needs to be used, not all pristine, because that would be a bit
mine
weird.
Mine is not pristine at all. And then, where's my favourite mascara?
Oh, yeah, this is it.
I love this so much. Actually, what's your favourite mascara?
Right, I kind of got two at the moment. One of them I can never remember the name of.
Oh.
So that's good. And then the other one is Bobbi Brown No Smudge. Because I like anything that doesn't fall. Because I can't muck around. I used to like Shiomura, but they stopped doing it. So thanks a lot for that, Shiomura. And so what else?
This is another highlight that I like.
Oh, she's into the highlight.
Anastasia.
Yeah, she's into the highlight.
So Hollywood.
She's going to shine through.
Literally.
Do you want to open that? It's very tough to open.
This is very intense, but I've used it, but as you can see, it's so bright that I don't think I'll be able to use the whole thing.
Oh, it's super bright. Super bright. But that's okay, because sometimes you need that as your
But look, when I blend it in, it's like nothing.
So, now we've done your bag, I was gonna show you help her. She doesn't need much help. I mean, she looks beautiful like that anyway. So look, my thing is I would do a little bit of skin work, and this is quite a nice palette. It's a kind of
Graftobian.
Yeah, a makeup brand. It's got really nice tones for kind of mixed race, just darker skins, Asian skin, even me, because I can get really brown sometimes, and I like it being a bit brown.
If you go on Wendy Rowe's Instagram and look at her holiday snaps, you'll be able to see it for yourself.
I'm virgin, so I'm virgin on being really much darker than I am. Now, I think these are great colours. A little bit round here. I'm mixing two together, and that's what I like about this. You can mix it all, you know. So I'm just warming it up a bit.
I love getting my makeup done. I'm in my element.
I'm just tapping it on. It's like a concealer consistency, but I'm just going to warm it up because on an Asian skin it can look a bit grey. So let's just warm that up. And when I say warmth, I mean like it's an undertone of black she's got in her skin. So we're warming it up with a kind of an orangey feel, not too much. And then we can, I mean, I'm using these now, so I'm going to go a little bit lighter. Pop that down there. Pop a little bit there. It'll just give you like a natural highlight. You can actually use this. This is good palette. Pop a little bit there. It just opens it up a little bit. I've used 3 colours there, so I might go like that, because when it's got a little bit of like orange in it, it'll eradicate any blue. So just tip up a little bit. That's gorgeous. All right, so now what I'm going to do, very quickly show Neelam how to use them eyeshadows that she got from Charlotte Tilbury.
Yes.
So, first of all, we need a brush. This shade is for the socket line, I would say. I would use this brush because I'm going to use the tip. I would do that like what we call in the makeup trade a banana.
Oh, that's a banana?
Yeah, it's a banana. So why don't you try and do that? And it's literally tip it on its side and go like that. Just a banana. It's all right.
Oh my God.
It's all right. It's all right. We can make mistakes. The thing is, you need to look in the mirror. You need to start there, and then go like that, and then try and end like there. Go, 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 go. That's it. Try and do it one foul swoop. Okay, that's good.
It's the end, I think I've like...
Okay, this doesn't matter. I mean, look, this is not precise because then we take another brush and then this, you just go back and forth.
Oh, okay.
And then that's blended. I'll just take it in like that. So you do that. And then that's it, take it in there. That's good.
Is it?
Yeah, it is good. Like, I put maybe a little bit more on there, but then you just wipe it off your finger.
Yeah.
Ta-da! That's nice. That's super easy.
Yeah, that is good.
And then I want to do like this one here, number 2. And then literally just pat it in the middle of the eyelid.
Wow, yeah.
That's
like
nice.
That. It's very subtle.
I mean, you could use it like this. You can have it like that. That's kind of an opener eye. And this closes it down slightly. That's it. Just dot it on. That's it. That looks good. Put a little bit more on that side. That's it. That's great.
Thank you.
So that's super easy. I was going to do a lip contour.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this one's quite dark.
That's for the lips?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But that's if you're black. And this is probably better for you. So you just go around the outside.
That's what I need because I have a dark line around my
but that's nice to have a dark line, but you can do that. You don't need me to do that. I mean, you don't have to be a makeup artist to do that. So it'll just lighten it slightly and do that around the bottom too. And then you can put your lip gloss on that you like.
Yeah, that does lighten
Yeah, it lightens it slightly, but without making it look like super makeup-y, you know?
Wow. You are smart.
You know, we try to help. And
Yeah,
also with
that
this,
does
it's
so-
nice,
honestly,
right?
it looks so
and even
fair.
with this as well, right? You could do this. I mean, I do it like that because she's got whiskers now. And then blend that in. Just push it like that. Just give you a hint of colour. I mean, that's kind of an easy thing to use.
I love products like this. They're just super easy.
So that just gives you a little bit of a different
I
look.
love that.
Yeah. I mean, and then you could put a little bit more of your highlighter on. I mean, it's hard for me not to do. You do the other side, you do the other side, because otherwise I'm going to get taken away and do it all myself.
Oops, a little bit more.
It's all right. But the thing is, if you do too much, it doesn't matter. You can just wipe it away. It's not a big deal. That's gorgeous, no?
Yeah.
So show us. That's just a little bit different.
I really like the eye.
Yeah.
And I really like this lip contour.
Yeah, it's just a little...
Because my lips, I feel like, is my problem area because I have a dark lip line, then around my mouth it's dark.
Yeah, so you just need to lighten it slightly, and that's just quite a nice, but not too harsh.
Yeah, I like it.
You
It's
happy
a very
with
nice
that?
look. Bronzy, glowy, still natural. And I
Still
feel like
you.
you can still see skin.
Yeah.
That's one thing I like.
And I think that's nice, and I think this product is a good product. So this is another little take on a makeup for Neelam. Thanks guys for watching.
Thank you, and thank you, Wendy.
Any comments? We're happy to hear.
Yes.